Good afternoon, YouTube. Easter Sunday. How's everybody doing? All right, this is a update of the 75-gallon tank with the do-it-yourself calcium reactor, the roller filter, and here it is. 4 months later, I'm finally went through the roll. So it's time for me to take it out and give it a good washing and put it back in there, and then we'll start all over again. Calcium reactor is doing really good. No problems. All the parameters are like spot on. You can see the bio balls, they're all doing good. You know, they're all getting their copods and all the good stuff growing. As you can see, I still have the oyster shells in there to help stabilize the pH, which is actually working out real good. The stuff in the bottom here is all coming off the bio balls. That's not anything from the tank. Well, let's look at the tank. There's absolutely no algae growing in this tank. None. No hair algae, no nothing. I'm not running a protein skimmer or anything. Corals are really starting to pop big time. And what I have to say is I'm actually liking the fact that, see that? That's coralline algae growing big time. Loving it. So the calcium reactor is doing its job. I haven't cleaned the glass, and you can see I haven't cleaned the glass in probably 3 weeks to a month, but it's looking good. So this is the update for the roller filter. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, Monty. See if it'll zoom in on it. No, but it's definitely encrusting and growing. I'm loving it. So that's the update on the roller filter. Now, for my biggest disappointment, and I mean my biggest disappointment, is the CNC machine. Let's go out here and take a look. This is becoming a real nightmare. I've spent countless and countless hours on this, trying to make this thing work. As a matter of fact, I even had my brother over here for 3 hours trying to get this thing working. And I'm going to tell you, what a pain in the nuts. And I mean a real pain in my nuts. I got everything all freaking wired up and all that. You know, I even mounted the router, all that stuff. I got it all set to go. And this freaking software is freaking killing me. And I mean literally killing me. This is what I bought 4 years ago, because I was trying to build this 4 years ago. This is what you call a Xylotech CNC controller. And I'm going to tell you right now, I've never seen the biggest pile of dog crap in my entire life. I mean, I'm going through with 3 computers trying to get this thing to work, and I got no luck with none of them. Did all the everything the way that was supposed to be done, said to do, and I can't get this thing to work. Talk about aggravating. I wish, and I'm going to tell you right now, I wish somebody would come out with a piece of software that has the CAM code, the CNC, and the G code all in one disk. This happened to go to this file and that file, that file. I'm telling you, this is the biggest bunch of crap I've ever seen in my entire life. Nobody can put together a freaking disk that freaking does it all in one shot. Okay? Now I'm gotten to the point now where I've actually bought new drivers and a new board. Okay? That's how frustrated this thing is making me. I cannot get and start making freaking filters like I want to. That's how aggravated I am. I'm using my laptop. I'm using my inside house computer. And I have another laptop trying to make this thing work. And I'm telling you, you want to talk about one aggravating son of a bitch? I'm freaking pissed. I mean, we worked on this thing for hours, and I can't get this thing to do nothing. It's communicating, but I can't get no commands to do anything. Now, if somebody has a little bit more information that can help me with this, I'm going to tell you right now, please help me out. If not, I'm trashing this piece of shit. I'm freaking tired of it. I'm sick of it. I'm sick and tired of spending good money for shit and nothing works. You know? The fish tank is a lot easier than this. I buy a piece of coral, I put it in a tank, and it's fine. Okay? Fish are the same way. I mean, you're going to lose some here and there, I agree, but I'm telling you, I am freaking fed up with this shit. Excuse my English for the younger audience. But I'm serious. I'm so sick of this, it's retarded. Like I said, if somebody would make a disc that have it all in one, that would be great. But ain't nobody. You gotta go through this, you gotta go through that, and I'm fed up with it. So you can tell my frustration. But anyway, this is the dilemma with the CNC. You can see my spectacles out here because I can't see that great anymore. I'm getting a little bit older. Sorry. But that's why I'm building this, to try to help me out. And I can't get it to work. If somebody's got any ideas, please let me know. Because I've been on every forum that there is. And some can get it to work, some can't. Well, that's why I bought the new stuff, so that I know it will work. Enough. I don't even want to. I don't even want to see this thing right now because it aggravates me to death. It really does. But back to this. I'm loving this. This is turning out to be, in my eyes, spectacular. Oh, and by the way, there is one roller filter on eBay that I have right now. It's just a manual with the alarm. And if you guys are interested, it's up there for sale. So, alright guys, I've done enough aggravating talk. We'll see you on the next one.